one can't got my cake.
Child, you better leave me alone.
She fucked you up.
It hit me. She got me like, I gotta add some more.
Why don't you just take the phone?
Cause she don't talk shit and say, why you got on?
What are you doing? Get your ass on that.
Cause Lori wants some, so I'm just putting some on here for the both of us. So I ain't gotta take the whole thing.
Yeah, cause you gotta leave my brother some devil eggs.
Who?
Right there.
Oh, child,
Mom, you look fine.
my Bonnie ain't come.
She said, mm-hmm.
Sandra wasn't feeling good. Y'all want to get out my way. I got things to do. Y'all know y'all ain't gonna do a damn thing. Move out the way.
You finna get it beat up again. Hit her again for the camera.
Bam, bam.
Yo, we gon' hit.
Keep on. I'm gonna knock the shit out you.
I was lying. I ain't sharing with
Oh my God, buddy. Mama said that.
Lord, look, I went to digging in the other trash. I gotta get something I'm sharing with Lord. She talking about some, okay, well, we gotta say something else about there. And then when I ran up, I said, shit, I was lying. I ain't sharing no more. I just want this to lie.
Mama said that bitch. Help her, Mama. Y'all, last night was crazy for me. My cousin got me so fucking high. I still feel that shit a little bit. It's a whole nother day, but I still feel that shit a little bit. Like, damn. That was that good shit.
Why you get all that ice in here?
So, ice cold.
I ain't gonna be able to have no drink.
This ain't for you, bitch. This ain't for you.
What about mine? I asked for the ice. What the hell?
You don't want a lot of ice? My thing cracked. Oh. The little screen protector over the camera. Somebody take my test. Okay. Now, if it's something we really need to know, point that out, because I don't want to be sharing it on no boat. I mean, no jet ski. What you want? Bitch, this is light. Now you don't have none. Light, is this light enough? I did my fast food days, and I always got to get put on the register or the window, and I always cut up every time. Cameron, you can't say that type of stuff. Well, stop putting me up here. Put me back there. Wash dishes on the grill or something. Putting me back here with these crazy ass people. You want lemonade?
He literally like rolled eyes.
Yeah.
Maya.
It's a little bit for you.
Shamaya. So my brother put pieces of particles of stuff in here, so it's clogged. So there's no lemonade coming out. Shamaya, you don't want to drink these little pieces of stuff, do you?
It's gonna go down. She won't know it.
Everybody else been drinking it. That's the first thing that's going.
That's what I said too. Yeah, we took a phone house. Mine is not loaded.
See, so, your T-Mobile wrong. They doing you low. You see me eat all the double days, bro? And a donut?
Kayla did.
You're not wrong.
I ate my stomach hurt.
That kind
Can y'all see me? I look crazy.
Wait, Cameron, you gonna ride on? I can't drive them things.
You gonna have to. I can't. It's too big. He said big people can't get on. together. Only by themselves.
Bitch, I ain't big. You big?
Shit! Bitch, stand up! Stand up! We big.
Bitch, I'm 165.
And add mine, baby. Sinking. We sinking.
We were at a jet ski place, and Ebony and Darren got on a jet ski together, and she pulled that bad boy.
Cameron, how many jet skis do you have?
Oh, I gotta call him. I'll meet y'all back up in a little bit. Yeah. Plus size model, yeah.
That's just on what?
Bop, 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 bop. Ah! Everybody say hey to my vlog. Arteta say hey. Laura say hey.
Hey.
Shamaya say hey.
It started.
That bitch blow. Hey, now eat your food. Eat your peanut butter. Here. Hold it. No.
Oh, that look a little sweet.
Hold it.
I gotta hold another minute.
Eat it.
I need you to leg on my leg or put
You eat your spoon of peanut butter. Eat your spoon of peanut butter.
Oh, this Marcel.
Oh.
Marcel Martez.
What?
I'm cutting up on you.
And I asked my.
Stop!
I
wipe it on you.
No,
You be messing camera up.
I did not.
I'm
The
messing
first one
with
is B. Maya, the first one is B. Make sure when you submit it, you take a screenshot.
Hey,
You got it on your forehead. Oh, sit right here. Sit right here. You got peanut butter in your hair.
I didn't screenshot the first one.
I took a screenshot of the first one.
Go get this back to
But I'm
Nana.
saying because I'm not there yet.
Go get this back to Nana. You done eating
What's
this?
this? Let me see.
Go put in the
Where's
kitchen.
mama?
What's the second one?
That's fine.
Stop, London. London! You gonna make a
go with
man.
us, just so y'all know.
Why not?
Y'all gonna be, it's not even gonna make the beach too long. It's hot. I'm good.
At 5, the sun is going down.
Well, I definitely didn't know that. But
Put it in the kitchen.
Mom? Your mom ain't home?
Why?
heat, outside, sand, sun, beach, water. Mommy, no.
13.
You sound she like a little white Christmas little
What's
lady.
the, read the next one.
Oh. All right, let's play patty cake. You wanna play patty cake?
Are y'all screenshotting them next or something?
Maya will.
Patty cake.
I
Patty
got
cake.
I put it in
Don't
there.
say that.
I put it in there. I can tell you.
Roll it.
Hello, Ava.
What's number one?
Alpha.
My your keys and your pen.
Hey, Darren. What's number one? That's all.
Number one, B.
Everybody, this is my niece. Ava, tell them hey.
The flash
Tell 'em hey.
lights are
That's all.
Ain't she so pretty?
Yeah.
Period. It's my niece. My niece. Mine.
Six.
Stupid.
It's
Mine.
What are the same? Hey.
It's my cousin. Ava, tell them hey. Ava, London, tell them hey.
I'm not able.
London.
London, say hey.
Say hey to my vlog.
I already said hey.
And I say it again.
Hey, yeah. Oh, God.
You done knocked her out.
Ava, let's go see who's big enough.
I'm leaving.
And then on that part, y'all supposed to Okay, y'all good. Y'all go again. Okay, start over.
Monday might need to go first. Like I need to.
Hey, PK.
Go.
Okay, go.
I've been trying to.
Wait for me.
Let it go. Back. No, she teach her son. She be teaching me. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Y'all want to go?
Okay, it's starting the countdown. Go! Let it get back over there.
I don't know.
Are you gonna get out the video? Stand up!
You ain't got about no head, baby. Right there.
I did this one last week. Look. Very much so hungry.
Oh, get on.
Look.
Who is this?
We need to do this one. They got Lori driving this.
So y'all, we on our way to fucking Raw. We on our way to Raw. No, you can't roll up on camera. Just going on YouTube. Mind y'all, we still low key, and she still wanna.
Here's the YouTube gonna be exclusive, y'all.
They ain't gonna let me unpost it.
21 and up. Y'all ride with us. You wanna see me bend over? I know what I'm doing. Yeah, bend over in front of me. Now bend over in front of me. And do it.
Today put your ass on, you really gonna be seeing it.
Yes, sir, no, sir.
My love, you ain't got no gas. This bitch, no gas. No gas shop. But got hella gas. If you, the ones that got it, got it. You ain't even get it. I guess whatever. The good gas. Right. That's cold,
I'm married to a little lamb.
Y'all gonna make that this is fucking funny. And do it while you touching me. You know you got that fire. Looking at you from behind. I think I'm gonna come from behind. You know you got that fire. Looking at you from behind.
So when it rains, the bitch can't even.
It does.
So why you lying and say that word?
I gotta hold on. Exactly. So I try to be funny, but I shouldn't tell her.
It worked, but not really.
It worked. If I had my car, I could've. I was going like this, man. And fuck around and miss that bitch and hit it. And that bitch popped and I was even more there.
He said it's so pussy, he ain't love pretty.
Pussy nigga ain't got time for no broke boy. And pussy bitch ain't got time for no broke boy. You got money, so I tell you little broke boy. What's the point of hustling if you hurting little boy? Pussy nigga ain't got time for no broke boy. And pussy bitch ain't got time for no broke boy. You got a famous, so I tell you little broke boy. What's the point of hustling if you hurting little broke boy? These niggas say they want a dub, they got a job. Pussy nigga who you fooling, you couldn't even buy a You don't want to sing a sing, get my pussy down. Shut a lame ass hoe, bitch, be quiet. Now you keep a so tell me, bitch, why you crying? These niggas never had you, know you niggas satisfied. My pussy with Chanel and bitch, your pussy worth $5. You crying.
Hey you guys, we made it to Ross.
Oh shit, that's how you supposed to do it.
So we are here to do a return and find some covers because like some covers like for the beach. He has to return some stuff. They're just tag-alongs.
I'm not talking about you tag along. Camera tag me along.
You want a momo?
I don't want no moo-moo. Your mama had a moo-moo. I was like, what is she doing with that thing?
Get it, momo. Let me see you. Do your thing. Stop playing.
Stop playing.
It look good in the booty. They don't have it. There's only one. Oh, that's pretty.
Turn around. I want to see.
Oh, here go another romper. They don't have it. They only have one.
So I guess we just gonna
Which means you gotta just lose a little weight. That's it.
That's what we're doing.
Why you looking like that?
Because that would be so uncomfortable.
You know, ratchet Clipwater girls love coochie cutters and stuff. So that's normal to them.
First of all,
These not regular Clearwater girls. This is
they
a regular
would go
Clearwater
up
girl.
under something.
No, but I'm saying the back part.
So should we just have to return?
I barely wear those. So
Hey,
I
Kayla.
don't-
Oh, I don't wear them either.
No, I'm recording.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I don't wear them. Or bras.
Kayla, you think you need to cover up?
Yeah, what would they be?
Oh, that's only $10.
Where were the?
I need love to.
Can you stop touching me?
I can't find me a cover up. Y'all know Burlington got cute stuff too.
Oh, they got cover up.
But I don't want to go all the way to Burlington.
It's right there.
Burlington's right there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh.
Ain't you ready to return or something? The
How they moved it from Oakland to right here.
cover ups are right here. I didn't see that. They're over there. They mixing that stuff.
I didn't see that cute.
They even look.
It's supposed to pop out.
Cameron, do you see yourself? Like, do you see your whole self?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's our brother. Our oldest brother. He be trying to dance. Do it again, Darren. Hey, hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby, baby. Hey, 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 baby. Hey. Where are they?
These are old ladies.
I support all black businesses, all black people. I need everybody to be.
We ain't got no subscribers, but we
Thank
trying.
you. Cameron, what's your
We
channel?
ain't got no subscribers, but we trying.
I'll be your first.
What's my
Oh my gosh, mine is Kaylin Shaw.
Kaylin Shaw.
Yeah,
mine's Vibe with Cam.
Vibe with Cam.
KHAM.
yeah, and Shaw
we gonna
K.
figure it out right
Oh
now.
Jesus, SHAW.
Yes, I said I don't care if y'all selling lip gloss and popsicles on the side of the bowl. I gotta have it.
Thank
You
you.
gonna support everybody, anybody else? So
That's
why
true.
not? Okay, start with you again.
Kaylin, KAYLEN. Shaw.
Space.
Mm-hmm.
SHA.
HAW.
Girl, if you gonna hurry up, I get about
I'm coming. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because if it was your YouTube channel, I would support you
I'm not
too.
talking about that. I'm probably gonna sit in the car.
Okay, what's yours, love?
I've been up since 2.
Vibe.
Oh, watch out, I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do you like that.
Vibe
With
with Cameron.
KHAM
KH.
TV. Will it pop up if you ain't got no video?
If it's a channel already made, yeah.
My shit ain't made then. Cause it ain't even popped up.
It's all right.
It's okay.
It's all right. I got you though.
Yeah.
I got you.
That shit embarrassing.
No, it's not.
So we just made it to Burlington. We at Burlington. My phone finna die. We're looking for cover-ups though. Looking for bathing suit cover-ups for my sisters. Because we're going to the beach. Excuse me. This hot bitch.
These are bathing suits.
Hey, bathing suits over there.
Make it jiggle.
Not making it jiggle.
She's supposed to make it jiggle.
It can't. It ain't much. See?
It is. We're going to Nike bathing suit.
No, I want something like cute, flowy, but I know I'm not gonna find that in here.
Yeah, we're gonna get it offline.
Or I may just have to get some things like this and just wear my top.
Yeah. Oh, get down. And they play on the side? Yeah.
What size are they?
Good size, yeah. We found one thing, found some pants. Wop, 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 wop. It's a whole lot of back there. Something you can't even handle. Come on, man.
Where is my
Then you got
size?
clutch over there.
Right.
Where's my size?
You're down more.
No, Cameron.
Yeah, you smaller. Oh, we do need a towel. How much these towels? For a towel. We're gonna share these bitches. For a towel.
How we gonna share?
You dry off, pass it to me, I'll dry off next.
We're too big for that.
No, the hell we ain't.
I like this towel, but it's not girly.
It's for me, it's mine. It's my beast towel. You could have got it, but you said it's not girly enough. You want this one?
That's ugly.
Get this one. Just pretty. Oh, this a half a towel?
Oh no, I can't do no half.
Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. It's just folded like that.
But it's not like these.
It's the same thing right here, see?
Oh. Well, I'll
No,
get
it's
this one
not.
because it's already up.
Okay.
But
We could have just got towels from
bathing
Mama
suit.
house.
I need a beach towel.
I need a beach towel. My sister said she need a beach towel and you want to. This for old people. Oh, this is a Nike one.
What should I say? Say medium.
You can't fit that.
Bless you.
So like, get this. What you wear, large? Laura, what's wrong with you?
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, you sick?
So you got good food? I mean, feeling good?
I had to hide. I'm just gonna wear my Nike
Maya,
shorts.
can you not call me a bitch? I know it's like a friendly term, but I don't like that. It's not from you can call him that.
What?
You call her that?
I did.
Yeah.
I did.
What?
we gonna keep that between me and you.
You want this damn phone?
Cameron did that.
She done dropped it. I don't know how many times. I said you keep dropping it. Somebody gonna really come to take it again. You already got the bathing suit?
Here you go, Maya.
I ain't gonna pick the cover.
Oh,
put on
my
the bathing
God.
suit. Here you go. You gotta pick the cover to match the bathing suit. You wanna match nipples?
My take it off.
What is this with these small cups?
I think this fit. What should I do?
I don't know if I'll tell you something.
Oh, this is cute.
Why would you fart? Yo, stank ass. Bro, you dirty. She farted right next to that lady. She nasty. You didn't smell that? I'm like, hold on, what the fuck? Did you fart?
You said you weren't getting
And that
it.
lady said,
I like that. I like it. You don't
That lady's standing right there. I know she smell it.
What she did?
Lori, we standing right there next to that lady, all in the group. I'm like, Shemaya, did you fart? The bitch just started busting out laughing. Nasty.
Nasty.
I know that lady like, what the fuck? These black people stink. I had to get away from that because you ain't finna say that's about me. Y'all, I'ma hit y'all back up when we get up out of this store because they playing around here. I already got everything I need. I only need to get was a towel. That was it. That booty stink.
Did we tell him that we wasn't coming?
Yeah, I told him. He called me dead. Try it on.
No. He's talking about some taller stuff. This is a large woman.
You can't. She thought she did. You said this not me. Wow. So yeah, we finally made it to the motherfucking beach. It's been a long time. How long has that been? Since like 12 o'clock. We've been trying to get to the beach and it's 6. Currently looking for the rest of my family. Hi, Auntie. How are you?
Bring you what?
Where's Grandma at? Grandma ain't coming? I'm getting in the bed. You talking about me looking for the same thing. So we finally found everybody. They all out there in the water. They all out there in the water. I ain't getting no damn salt water. Ain't finna fuck up my braids. Look at this nigga think he's fine. He think he look like somebody. My sister.
Why? Why you not getting in? You came out here.
I don't want to get no water. KD.
Why you come out?
What do you mean?
What do you mean what I mean? Why you gonna take my dusher? You not getting in the water. Give me my dusher.
No.
Give me my stuff.
Why are you trying to come after me?
Right. Stop on it.
Cause I don't want to mess my braids up.
I'm not getting my hair wet.
And I forgot my towel. Look at all that ass.
The towel, Keelan. You bought the towel. Why you going to a strip club? Keelan, where you the towel at?
I left it on my bed.
What's the point of you buying the towel then?
I forgot it. Shit.
You can't forget everything.
I forgot a towel. Okay. I wasn't getting wet no way. Taylor. That's not fair because I don't have a water gun.
Yeah, it is. You should have.
No, it's not.
Trucks on.
I do got some of the trucks on.
And let me wear some of my gummies.
can't even open them. Here, hold this.
What am I recording? Bust the cheek, bro.
What?
Let me see. It's the.
Barely.
It's the.
It's the confidence.
I ain't even got on my feet. Y'all hate me.
They be hating them.
It's the.
Where? I can't even pick it up.
It's the. I know. It's the. No, you're not.
It ain't that, Maya.
Don't see how she gotta do it. She gotta go.
Yeah, she gotta do a whole lot to get a little shape. You gotta break your back to get it straight.
I know. Cameron, your back flat.
I'm here.
And you got booty and can't in. So
It's there though.
it's barely.
Barely. No, yours is the one barely.
Barely. You can't do all that.
It's the backpack. It's moving.
But it moves.
It's a backpack.
It's that.
Wait. You wanna get active? Okay. Oh, you wanna record? Record it. They don't wanna get active. Kayla wanna get active.
Cameron is about to get in the water. Little that he knows. Kaylin does not know that. He ready. He ready. He finna get her. He's ready to attack. He's ready to attack. Cameron, how you feel? How you feel?
I feel great. My sister wanna get active. You think she the oldest that she know what the fuck she doing. She don't know what the fuck she doing. I'm finna get her ass.
Get her. Your phone can't go in the water. I'm not going in the water with her. You're on some other. This man is trying to. He's teaching the birds. He's teaching these seagulls. Dangerous. Not smart. Not the smartest thing. He making his child do it so he don't get attacked. Oh, look at that nice sunset. It's so beautiful. This is what you get when you live in Florida. By the way, I am Lori, Cameron's second sister. Look at that nice sunset. He doesn't want to get in the water, actually. He's staying.
She really scared me because I already told her I wasn't going in the water. She gotta go all the way out there.
Taylor is all the way out there.
All the way out there. I literally said I wasn't going in the water.
Of the ocean. Look at those nice sailboats. They're just sailing away.
In the water.
So beautiful. Look at the pier. And look at all these lovely people. So beautiful. Some nice hotels. He's trying to find some good stuff. Come back! So this is where we are. That sailboat going towards the ocean.
Hey, D, can I get your gun, bro?
He is now in the water. He's attacking. He is going for it. He ain't scared. He also doesn't know that I'm this far into the water with his phone. He's 2 and 2 with her. Which is great. Oh, that's all that water. That's gonna be so cool when you see that video. It's gonna be so dope. That's gonna be so dope. So dope. See, look at that sailboat. So beautiful. For somebody said that ain't gonna get in the water. He's in there. has, he lost. His hair is wet. And now he's gonna be pissed.
Sister still out here with no clothes on. I don't know what the issue is with the Crocs and the bathing suit. One over here. Damn, Martez.
Let me be.
Sister booty naked.
Booty naked.
Ooh, they got in my eye. Got the fire going.
I should have put that piece of little water.
What's popping? Waiting on Mama to finish in the kitchen because I'm hungry to eat. I'm ready to eat.
It's gonna start coming this way. Look at it. It's gonna fall. It's not hot yet. Darn it. Scares you. So scary.
See,
See, I told you.
He said things like Mama.
yeah, she be pulling pans out of the oven with no gloves on.
Oh yeah, I do that too.
Like, Mama, I know that junk hot.
This one big backyard. You didn't realize how big it was.
Y'all ain't getting bit.
No.
I mean, think about how far that tent was. That tent was back there because we were standing on it.
I think, yeah, it was
Yeah.
because those things was inside of it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's kind of the back.
I don't know why my slow self thought it was just The tent was just. Oh my god!
It's because it's closed in.
I thought the tent was just this little carport right here. Not a carport. What's this basketball court?
Yeah, how you live?
No.
Oh.
On YouTube. Shut up. My number one hater right here.
You're gonna succeed in life.
Now you want to preach positive. It's too late. It's too late.
What I make you, Lori? Oh, shit.
Oh, can you not hit my brother? Can you not? Please not hit my brother in the head.
That's my home.
Spell your name.
You want to spell your name?
London.
I said spell it, not say it. CUVWXYNZ. Now I know my ABCs. Sing with me.
No, so we have a girl,
Who taught you them songs? Who taught you them?
and she didn't think elemental P was a part of the alphabet. She thought it was
Because
like,
they say it so fast
yes,
together.
the elemental P. I was like, oh.
Oh, God.
Is it because of that
Moss. Look. Look how good that looks.
Because you're a G baby.
I'm not good.
Ain't that great?
I'm good.
Yeah, you're a G baby girl.
I think I left my phone in Kaylin's car.
Until
And
look
I
at
don't
the,
know where it's at.
All right, London.
look at the quality.
I'm not gonna keep that stick out. Just gonna keep getting shorter and shorter.
I didn't even look.
I don't know.
All right, just put the stick over there in the grass.
I forget a graduate.
Just put it in the grass.
Darren, let me everybody talking about her teacher like that.
You stole her
I said
seat?
that coach, you know? It's not happening.
Did you steal her seat?
Pull it close so it can get warm.
Huh?
Pull it close so it can get warm.
What you mean?
I will probably go on.
What the, get your hand out of
Don't
here.
get in there. What are you playing with it for?
Try not to get it. Didn't want that to happen.
You want to get burnt?
I doing it. What are you doing, Lori?
Sticking stronger.
Look at London. You finna get burnt up.
Hell yeah.
Hey, get that stick, girl.
What you finna do with that?
There, you don't sit that there. Time to catch a ball on fire.
What kind of ring you got on?
Oh yeah, I seen that.
How are things going when you find
This
that?
London.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
That
Put
one.
that in there. There you go.
Oh, that's nice.
Can you in the thing?
Oh,
This
that is
one.
nice.
It's in the fire now.
No, not the whole thing in it. That in it.
Girl, the whole thing is in the fire.
What you talking about, London? You want this seat right here, Lori?
Look, London.
What colors do you see, London?
A, B, C.
And orange and green.
Really?
You see purple? I see purple.
Purple.
That cool?
And blue. And green. What's purple? Brown. What is on the
Careful, London. Don't leave it in there.
whole thing not in?
It's okay.
It's gonna catch on fire.
Oh.
Dad.
All right, London, stop putting them in there now.
Where that thing tent at?
What do you use it in there?
No more.
That's thick.
Mhm.
Get them critters out of here.
What?
Can't you barely lucky in dark.
Get that one right there.
Look at them
Cameron,
critters.
get that one right there.
Look at these critters. Look at these critters. Look at these critters. Oh!
Better than them all?
Oh my god.
This time fell off. But these ones over here are black for some reason.
What it fell off for?
My boots when it was wrecking and it was cold outside.
Here's the verdict.
Yeah.